Welcome to Blue Mountain Off-Road. My name's Sam. Welcome back. Today we're going to be going to the shop to help my brother. He has a Grand Cherokee and he's decided that he's going to now join the off-road community. So he's got himself a lift and some Patagonias to put on his Grand Cherokee. So he's already took his wheels to the tire shop to get his old tires put off and the new ones put on. So he asked me to come over to help him, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go over there and bring you all along to see how this is going to work out. I don't know what kind of lift he got. He said he's just a 3-inch lift, so I don't know what kind of lift it is, but we're going to head over there right now and help him out. Stay tuned.
We will be there Saturday.
That's not good. Look at that. All nice and rusty. Well, already done with the tear down part now. We got these pucks here. Gotta go up in there, give them a 3-inch lift. So, on to the next. There's the spacer right there. Pain in the butt to put on, but we got it. Alright, so with the 3-inch budget lift that he had, he got little pucks for his Jeep. We got a 265 17 R16 on here. Stock shock still. He's gonna have to get new shocks that didn't come with it, but here's the puck. It's just a puck lift. It was Jeep's not the cleanest Jeep ever was, so it was pretty rusty. Kind of fought us a little bit, but yeah, 265, so it's like a 31.5-inch tire. It doesn't really rub. It kind of rubs in the back here. You can see kind of a witness mark right here where it rubbed, but he's gonna get spacers and stuff, maybe new wheels, but he'll have to get shocks because these are literally still the factory shocks. Still, they still got the Milestar on them from the back. But for, I think, how much you pay for the lift?
That's $100.
$100 for a puck lift. It only came with pucks, but for $100, and the tires were how much?
$137 a tire.
The tires on Amazon were $137 a tire on Amazon. So, and I think what, 2 days to get here?
Yeah, it was quicker. It was supposed to be here May 6th and got here May 4th.
So it took a couple days to the door for some Patagonias. So I know a lot of people run Patagonias. I don't. I have my Maxxis, but for him, he's a budget build. This is a budget build, so. And then, you know, a lot of people don't wheel these Grand Cherokees, but boom, there it is. It looks pretty good. It'll look better with spacers on it. get the tires out a little bit further and get it out from the plastic. As you can see, look, it's pretty close. So that's it for today. All right, so that's it. Got the lift on. It only took me, you know, messing around about 2 hours to get it on. Those little puck lifts, they're not bad, but they had a lot of rust, if you can see in the video. I mean, the Jeep's a 2003, so it's, you know, not the cleanest thing in the world. You know, we had to dig the back spring buckets out, clean them out with all the scale and stuff that was on there to set the pucks down in there. But other than that, I mean, it went pretty good. He's gonna have to get, the kit didn't come with shocks or anything like that, so he's gonna have to get shocks because they're factory shocks still on that Jeep. And you'll have to probably get spring, or not spring spacers, wheel spacers, and then he'll be good after that. I don't know, he said something about getting headlights for that thing, and it needs a little bit of work here and there. It's pretty good Jeep for him, you know, he doesn't pay a payment on it or anything, so it's just a little thing for him to get acquainted with, you know, working on stuff. We're trying to get him to learn how to, you know, work on your own vehicle and stuff, which is good knowledge to have. So, you know, I didn't really film a lot. I did a lot of time lapsing because I was trying to help him learn how to do stuff like that. So, yeah, we're heading back down to the house, so the day's over with. So if you want to like, subscribe, trying to grow this channel, so if you could hit that subscribe button for me, that'd be really appreciated. Drop a like on it if you liked what you saw. There'll be more videos up soon, more projects. I got more stuff to be working on. There's always stuff to be working on. So if you like what the video was, drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what I could be doing better, what I could be doing worse. I don't know how good the GoPro is at filming, so I haven't even looked at the footage yet. So we'll see how good the footage is, and most of it was time lapse, so we'll see. It was pretty dark in there, so I don't know how good the actual footage is going to be, but appreciate you for watching. Like I said, like, subscribe if you haven't. I'd like to get 1,000 subscribers in the future, you know, build from that. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.